Good morning everyone. My name is Manu Bhatnagar. I am a student of Engineering College Jhalawad and my teammates are Mudit Sharma and Sagar Singh Chauhan. Today I present my major project on Android application. The application name is Ecj Next. This is the icon of our app. Ecj Next contains introduction to Android, introduction to Ecj Next, system requirements analysis, languages used, Android activity lifecycle, project updates, design flowchart, format of database, future working plan, references. Now move on to introduction of Android. Android is the name of a mobile operating system owned by American company Google. It is commonly comes installed on a variety of smartphones and tablets. Android is an open source and Linux-based operating system for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets computers. Android was developed by an open handset alliance led by Google and other companies. Android has Dalvik virtual machine. Introduction to Ecj Next. Ecj Next is a college management application which basically aimed at managing most of the activity of college. This application helped in adding mobility and automation in managing the campus information. This app gives an easier, safer and quicker way of connectivity with college. This app helps in saving cost of printing and papers. Now move on to system requirement analysis. First one is Android Studio. Android Studio is the integrated development environment IDE for Android app development. Features fast and feature with emulator, a unified environment with you can develop for all Android devices. Instant run to push changes into your running app without building a new APK. Extensive testing tools and frameworks. Link tools to catch performance, usability, version compatibility, and other problems. Second one is SDK. SDK refers to Software Development Kit. It is a set of software development tools that allows the creation of applications for a certain software packages. And SDK can take the form of a simple implementation of one or more application programming interface APIs. It may be as complex as hardware-specific tool that can communicate with a particular embedded system. Third and last one is JDK. JDK is the Java Development Kit is a software development environment used for developing Java applications and templates. It includes the Java runtime environment and interpreter, loader, uh, compiler, and archiver and documentation generator and other tools needed in Java development. There are different JDKs for various platforms. The supported platforms include Windows, Linux, and Solaris. Mac users need a different software development kit which includes adaptation of some tools found in JDK. Languages used. Now move on to languages used which are used in Android applications. First one is Java. Java is an object-oriented programming OOP structure that can be used to create complete applications that may run on a single computer or be distributed among servers and clients in a network. Java technology is used for developing both applets and applications. Main feature object-oriented platform independent, secure, simple, portable, robust, and multi-threaded. Now second one XML. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. Extensible means that the language is shell or skeleton that can be extended by anyone who wants to create additional way to use XML. Markup means XML primary task is to give definition to text and symbols. XML is a software and hardware independent tool for storing any transporting data. Now move on to Google Firebase. It plays a very important role in our Android application. Firebase is a back-end as a service. It's a real-time database we are connecting through a WebSocket. WebSocket are much faster than HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. All connected clients receive and updates data almost instantly. Its file storage, its authentication, its hosting, it's a fully featured app platform. Android activity lifecycle. Activity starts with when we tap on activity. Here first one is on create. It is called when the activity is created. Then second one is on start. It is called just after with its creation. Now third one is on resume. Called when activity is visible for user and user can interact with it. Next is on pause. It is called when the activity content is not visible because user resume previous activity. Now next is on stop. It is called when the activity content is not visible because some other activity takes place of it. Then on restart. It is the it is called when user comes on screen or resume the activity which was stopped. Last one is on destroy. It is called when the activity is not in the background. Now move on to project updates. Here first page shows flash screen for 2 to 3 seconds when we click on our application. Then second page is of register and login page. Here a user must register to login. This page is of register. Here we can register with authentic ID and password, that is email ID or password. After register we can login through next page, that is login page. After login we reach that home page of this app. Here first page shows home page. There are first 6 icons has authentication, so only faculty members can use it. Remaining icons are available for all users. Here the list of students and their details when we tap on the button of second year, third year, fourth year CS or IT, which faculty use it. This information is accessed only by the faculty members. Next move on to book bank. When we click on book bank button, here lots of books available. Next move on to ebooks. When we click on ebooks, there are available so many books to read and learn something new. Now move on to notice. When we click on notice, we find the notice provided by our college, and another one is website of our college. When we tap on website, we go to the website of our college. Next is result. When we click on result, we can find out our result here. Next is image gallery. When we click on image gallery button, we show that our college images. Last one is feedback. Now we can click on feedback button, then we can submit our feedback to here. Now move on to design flowchart. The flowchart shows how our app works. Is starting with the user. Here register through an email verification. The email verification is completed, then user can login. After login there is a home page. At home page we can see a lot of icons. The first six icons having password authentication and remaining have direct access. This is the working of our app. Format of database. This is the format of our database. Whoever register in our application, we can get his or her email ID. Here we can see that last some emails of the registered applicants or users. Here we can see that last 3 points are the feedback of users. Now move on to future working plans. In upcoming days, we provide internal activity by the help of Java. In future, we can connect the database with Android app. We work on the books and the library issues occurring nowadays. We fill the rest of the data. References. These are some references. Thank you.